Hi, is this happening to you?
Voice recognition by Nuance.
You got yourself a new Verizon Flip, but the Flip's a chick. And like all chicks,
One.
they always got something to say. You want to turn her off?
2. Messages.
Driving you crazy.
3. Recent calls.
I know the feeling, buddy. I think we all do, my friend. What you want to do is go to menu.
1.
Go to settings.
1.
God, shut up. Shut up.
Screen.
Go to accessibility.
4. Accessibility.
Oh, yeah.
Accessibility screen.
Then you want to go to menu readout.
3. Menu.
Then you want to go to off. Turn her off. Thank you. And now, we all have a little peace.